Back to school season is officially here, and we're excited to help you add a personal touch to the school year. If you're looking for customization, organization, and school-ready practicality, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Emily with Cricut. Today I'm sharing 10 creative back-to-school crafts for parents, teachers, and kids. From personalized bookmarks and school supplies to classroom decor and teacher gifts, these projects are perfect for getting ready for day one. Kids love personalized items. These first few craft ideas are perfect for parents with kids who want to help design their own school supplies. First up, DIY bookmarks. A bookmark is a small project, but it can make reading feel a little more fun. These adorable custom-named bookmarks make the perfect evening craft. Next, custom backpack charms like these. Cricut Design Space has thousands of designs in the app, and even licensed images with popular movies, TV shows, and brands. So go ahead and add your child's favorite characters, hobbies, and more to their backpacks and lunch bags. Custom notebook stickers and laptop decals are another way for kids to show off their personality and turn everyday school supplies into something uniquely them. A little personalization goes a long way, so custom pencil cases like this can help keep school supplies organized and make heading back to school a little more exciting for kids. Parents, the first day of school only happens once, so we love the idea of creating customized signs, shirts, and photo props to capture the nervous smiles and big first day milestones. Creating a dedicated homework space with labeled bins, pencil holders, and organizers can help keep after-school routines running smoothly. Start the school year with a thoughtful teacher gift. A personalized mug or small tote is a simple way to say thank you before the year even begins. And for teachers, keeping the classroom organized is key. Custom labels, name tags, and organizational essentials help create a space that's ready for learning from day one. Then, bring your vision to life with classroom decor. Bulletin boards, themed decorations, and banners add color and personality to every corner of the room. And don't forget star student labels. This is the perfect way to celebrate achievements and make every student feel recognized. Whether you're customizing school supplies, decorating your classroom, or preparing for those first day memories, Cricut makes back-to-school crafting easy and personal. Let us know which project was your favorite, and for even more back-to-school inspiration, visit the Cricut blog at the links in the description. If you can think it, you can make it.